Cartoon Cat. Today we are playing Gacha Online on John's Gamer channel. So like and subscribe. So we're gonna be walking around in Gacha Online. That's what he always says in his channel. And guess what? I have a friend called Cartoon Kitty. Yes, that's right. Yeah, do you wonder why my voice sounds like this? I have a frog in my throat. I usually sound like this. Hi guys, I'm Cartoon Cat. See? So what I mean? There's a frog in my throat. I'm about to get it out of my throat later. Oh, look. It's Moondrop. Naughty boy. It's past your bedtime. Oh, this is so fun. Was that Poppy? Oh, I don't want to see a Poppy Playtime character. I hate them. Let's go in here. How long was I supposed to record this? John gave it how long do I supposed to record this?
For 5 hours. But not that much, not that much. Just if you want to end it and you're like want to go do what you always does.
Yes.
No, no saying kill word. No, that's bad.
Oh, fine. But I like your videos.
Oh, thanks.
No problem. Huggy Wuggy said he hates your videos.
What?
Yeah, I heard him say that.
I'll go talk to him. Huggy Wuggy!
Yeah, he's dead. That blue toy is dead. Alright guys, I guess it's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see me play Gacha Online again. I'll see you later guys. Bye.